Welcome to Yatsina's channel. So I just got done filming 2 videos for you guys. All of them are kind of summer looks. The first one is a bright coloured one, and then there's this one, more natural bronzy coloured look. I was hoping to film when I had my hair done and my nails done and everything fixed, but that's not possible at the moment. So I just thought I'd put these together for you so you could have some inspiration for your summer. Okay, so I took my foundation and I just put that in the eye area, just 2 little dots, and then I grabbed my concealer just to brighten up under the eyes, and I put 2 more dots there, and I just grabbed my sponge and blend that in. If you need more foundation, of course you would put that on, but I don't need it this day. And just blend that in so that it looks even. A little bit on the nose. And then I took the liquid Illuminator by Makeup Obsession, and I'm gonna try this one out. I've never used it before. I'll just put that on the cheekbones and a little bit on other parts of the face. And I took my sponge again and I blended that in. And I did go over my eye area with this one because I wanted it to be more shiny. And also maybe give it a bit of a base. It actually blends really nicely. And pick up the pieces that are noticeable. There we go, nice and blended. And then I took my eyeliner and I'm going to apply that one first. This is just the first layer of eyeliner. And with this one you have to be very careful because it is very watery. Sorry about the truck in the background. And just the other eye. And I like that as a base, and it helps to get it nicely blended when you're finished. And you can go over it as many times as needed to get the look you want. There we go, those are my eyes prepared for the makeup. And I grabbed this bronzer palette. It's actually for your face, but those colors do not really work on my skin, so I'm going to use it as the eyeshadows in case you're trapped on a desert island. So I took my brush and I used in my lid, I used the color Peach Smoothie and just applied that on there. That color would not work on my cheeks, but for the eyes it's fine. And I put on 2 layers. It's very shiny, so I love that. It's maybe a little bit powdery, so you gotta watch that. Then I took my fluffy brush, and in the crease I applied the color Champagne Kisses. It's also a very bright and shiny color. I'll just go back and forth and blend that in. I took mine all the way up to the brow because I want all over shimmer. Okay, and then the next step, I went for under the eyes, and I used the color Shooting Star. It's really pretty and really shiny. I'll just apply that on there. And I did 2 layers for extra shine. And finally, to try another colour, I used the colour Golden Hour in the outside of my corners of my eyes, just to add a little dimension. There we go. Almost finished the eyes. And then I grabbed my liquid eyeliner again and went on over the line again. As you can see, it did drip because it's very liquid. I fixed that off camera, and just go over the other eye as well. And just finish up the line the way you want it. And the final step for the eyes, as usual, is the mascara. Just apply whichever one you like. I'm using the Essence one, and I like it. It is waterproof. And I went over it 2 times, just for a little more drama. And then, of course, the other eye. This look would probably look good with some fake eyelashes as well, but I'm going more for daytime looks. And then the final step, I took the Wet n Wild bronzer. Now this bronzer is also too light for me, so I'm going to use it a little bit different. I'm just using it on the cheeks for a little extra glow. And then I went over the rest of my face with on the brush and used it like a setting powder. It's quite matte, so it actually works pretty good that way. It gives you that all over glow without being too much. And down the neck so everything blends in, and the collarbones a little dusting. So there we go. And now we're going to do the final step, which is the Very Vegan lipstick in Loveable Lily. Just a very relaxing, calm color. Don't want to go too crazy. And there's the finished look. So thanks again for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed this look. It's a nice bronzy summer look, and I actually used a face bronzer palette for this one, so it just gives you some ideas of what you can do with what you've already got. So once again, thanks for watching and have a good day.